Hello everyone, what's happening in Edmonton's real estate market? It is early March. We had a little bit of a sluggish start to the year for sales. Didn't seem like it was really an issue of a lack of buyers, but more of a lack of inventory where there certainly was homes for sale, but buyers weren't feeling the urgency to make decisions on homes that they weren't prepared to make decisions on. So as the inventory is coming back, the sales are certainly rising, and that reflects from the sales from February to March. So the February sales, we had 1,606 total sales. That is up 39.7% from January. Not that uncommon, but it is down 11.5% from the year before, which was a very hot year. So total year to date, we are actually down 19% in comparison to the first 2 months of last year. And we've got 3.4 months of inventory. That's technically still a seller's market. It's not really behaving in that way. There's certain pockets where buyers are quite frustrated that there isn't a lot of inventory. But yet the activity or the buyer behavior is a little bit different. We're not seeing as much urgency in multiple offers and things. We certainly see it. Sherwood Park would be the exception, and maybe a little bit of St. Albert. They're very hot there, and it's very, very competitive. So you do start to see a lot of multiple offers going significantly over asking price, where I don't see that as much happening in Edmonton in general. However, it's still healthy. And so total average days on market for homes for sale is 45. And the average sale price for detached single-family homes is $571,372. That's up 2.7% month to month, which is not a very significant number or relevant number, but it is up 1.1% year over year, which is probably a little bit more relevant. So all in all, we're still just slightly over where we were last year, which is a nice place to be. So semi-detached homes, that would be like single-family duplexes. The average sale price is $441,958, and that is up 4.5% month to month and 4.8% year over year. So that was actually a genuine significant increase year over year for the duplexes. The row houses are at $307,526 for an average sale price. That's up 3.8% month over month and 2.3% year over year. So modest increase. And then apartment style condos, 212,133. That's down 6% month over month. Again, not a significant enough snapshot to really be indicative of where prices are going, but it is down 1.4% year over year as well. So not a lot of builders building condos right now. If you see any construction for apartment style buildings, they're generally rentals. And so hopefully we'll absorb that market and start to see some healthy rises in the condo market. And I suspect that March should be a fairly robust month. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next month. And as always, if you are interested in looking to purchase or sell your home, we'd be happy to chat with you. Reach out anytime.